Voice is very inaudible. I don't know it would be heard, but I'll start speaking loudly from now. Blah blah. I'm not robot. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna make this. So guys, I'm gonna talk about how I made my breakfast and lunch. Not lunch, breakfast and tea. So I had a bowl, okay? So think this is an egg boiler of mine. I had an egg boiler which have pan like base which I can hold on to. This is my egg boiler. Above my egg boiler I kept a tiffin box which was somewhat tall than wide. Yeah. Then what I did is I took a bottle of water. I poured as much as the pan filled, not pan, that lunch box filled. Then I kept a lid onto it and waited for long. How long I'll tell. From when I started this video to the time I came back from toilet, yeah. Till then I boiled it. Then I removed that lid. I poured that that hot water into my this glass. Almost it got filled. I can't show you till this much is there. Then rest somewhere there that hot water. Into that hot water I kept my pasta and pasta maker. I stirred and kept now. That's just what I did. Usually how I make pasta is different. What I do is first I keep water for boiling, and then in that lunch box I just add pasta maker and pasta. No water, nothing. I still switch on the heat, so let it get a little heated. Then I'll boil my water. I'll wait for some time. I'll not wait for some time. Immediately the water gets boiled. It's like blah, 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 blah. I'll start pouring my boiled water into my pasta so that it reaches the top. It just reaches the top of that pasta layer. When it touches, I stop. I stop pouring and I start cooking. I keep the lid. I start cooking. I leave for so much time till I get my consistency that I needed. The best consistency for making a pasta is, I'll tell you, it is little water is there. Yeah, it is little watery, means not water. It is a little watery, not completely dry. But the pasta should look bigger and somewhat the liquid should be there, but it should not be there so much. It's just there.